from Cairo. This is huge. I just realized why it's spicy. Dun dun dun. This place is very famous for their meat, beef tail. Let's try something new. Hello from Cairo. So today or tonight I'm going to be showing you guys a North African dish, tajin, or as they call it in North Egypt, Tagine. So I'm here outside of Sobhy Kaber, which is a very famous restaurant for grilled meats. I've actually filmed here about 2 years ago when I first started my channel eating pigeon. So I'm here again to film tajin. Yalla, let's go inside. I have sat down, looked at the menu, and ordered. I have ordered the beef tail tajin. I've never had beef tail. I don't know what to expect, but why not try something new? So tajin is very delicious. For those of you that don't know, it's a North African dish named tajin because of the pot. So in Egypt, in northern Egypt, they say tagine, but yeah, it's a tomato broth with vegetables and meat, usually simmered for hours, and with spices like cumin or ginger, saffron, and yeah, it just has a very amazing flavor, simmered, all of these flavors combined, and I'm excited to try this tajin. I've had lots of different tagines in Egypt and in Cairo and other places around the country, but yeah, this place is very famous for their meat, beef tail. Let's try something new. They have given me bread and I think this is tahina. It looks a little different. And salad. So a lot of times in Egypt, if you order a meal, they will give you tahina and bread and a little Egyptian salad. So, shukran. Yeah, so, yeah, very famous restaurant. Music's playing. Might get copyrighted for that, but what are you gonna do? So, yeah, this place is amazing though. And I haven't been here in almost 2 years since I last filmed. I think it was around Christmas of 2021. So, okay guys, well, I'm not gonna bore you waiting for the food, but when it gets here, I'll come back in and try beef tail tagine. I just had to come back in to say, this is delicious. So, a lot of food, like I said, is served with tahina and salad, but this is good quality tahina. It has a little bit of spice to it too, like a tiny little kick. Super light and fluffy. It is amazing. Yes, this is a good restaurant. It has thousands of reviews for a reason. It's very popular and it's busy in here. I'm not filming around me because people don't like to be on camera, but it's very packed. And this as well, so good. The vegetables are very fresh. There's also a little bit of spice in here as well. I love spicy. Whoa, dude. I have no idea what that is, but cool. So you can get a performance at your table if you order whatever that is. Maybe I can ask him when he comes by later. Yeah, anyways. So the salad is delicious. The sauce is good. Everything so far is good, and it's just like what comes with the food. I just realized why it's spicy. Dun dun dun. Yeah, a spicy chili pepper in there. Yeah. If you guys watch my channel, you know I love spicy food. So, yeah. By the way, when I said this place was popular and they have a lot of reviews, I mean like over 70,000 reviews. Almost 5 stars, I think. I forgot already, but it is very well rated, very popular. Not the fanciest place on earth with the tables and such, but so good, the food already. You know, if they have salad like this and tahina like this, the bread is fresh, the pickled vegetables also looking fresh. Haven't tried them yet, but you can tell just by looking at them. So yes, I'm excited. I hope I like beef tail or akaya. I've already forgot, it was on the menu. Okay, the food has arrived, and I actually ordered something that I didn't mention before. Cheese sambusa. I'm very excited about this. So, cheese sambusa is it's like Indian samosa. Very similar. A lot of countries have these like dumplings, right? They're hit or miss though in Egypt, I will say. They can sometimes be really soaked in grease, or they're not crispy or crunchy. I've even had ones that look like a mini empanada with very thick dough. I was like, what is this? And like dry cottage type cheese inside, or so it's a hit or miss. These look good though. I have high expectations now since the salad and the tahina were good. Let's try it. I don't know what kind of, I'm not sure what kind of cheese this is, but it is good, whatever it is. Maybe it's a blend of cheeses. Sorry if it's loud around me, it's a busy place. There's a good look at the cheese. That's good. I don't know what those black things are in it. Some type of flavor that I'm not picking up on. They might be little pieces of olive. It almost tastes like little pieces of olive. Good though. Nice and crispy. You can hear that. Probably not, it's too loud in here, but it's good. And the star of the show, Tagine. So this is my spread. They refilled my tahina salad and this, which is covered, so let me uncover it and show you guys and try it. This is huge. Look at this. It's so hot. He just came by and was like, hot, 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 and threw it on my table. I guess that is to be eaten with this. Let's try a little piece of it now. It is huge. It is so hot. Bread? Okay. I am ready to eat this tajin though. Surprisingly, this pot is not that hot. I was expecting it to be, but I think it cools down quickly. So, let's try this. Tajin. Ready? Beef tail? Akawi? Okay. Where is the meat? I'm afraid of burning my mouth. I've only just eaten a bite full of onions. It is so good. Let's get a closer look. Yeah, that flavor is heaven. You can taste like the meat flavor in it. I hope you can see what I'm doing down here. Oh. Okay, so here we have some of the beef tail. Is this his tail? Am I just supposed to do like this? I have no idea. Like that? Am I eating this right, guys? No idea. It's definitely very moist. A little bit gelatinous. There's some fat on there. Good flavor though. I just don't know how I'm supposed to be eating this. Is it all like that? Let's find out. Oh, there's like a huge piece of bone in here. Oh. Okay, so here's part of the beef tail. That is good. I'm glad I ordered this. It was expensive. I think it was the most expensive one. But that flavor. It's just falling off the bone. You can see that, right? That is luxurious. I ordered too much food though. I didn't need the sambusa. Man, oh man. Really, this is so good. This restaurant is amazing. Amazing. Leziz جدا. Yeah, بالضبط. حلوة. This was nothing compared to what that piece was. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, so delicious. Yes, guys. Highly recommend this restaurant. If you want a good night out, fancy dinner, come here. If you're trying to come on a holiday though, be warned, it's going to be packed because I actually tried to come here, I think, to film Pigeon on Christmas or the day before, 2 years ago. And I was a line out the door, a crowd outside the door, and I was like, never mind. And I left and came back to film another day. But yeah. There's no way I'm gonna finish all of this either. So I'm gonna bring it home. There's gonna be leftovers. So really, it's like 2 meals. And that's how I can comfort myself with the price. Tagine is something I really enjoy eating anytime, but it's great in winter because a lot of people don't know Egypt gets cold in winter. It depends on where you're from, of course. If you're from a place with snow, it's still going to feel warm to you, but it's not hot all year round like some people think. I didn't expect it to get as cold as it does my first year here. So I didn't bring a lot of warm clothing, and the temperature kept dropping, and I went and bought one hoodie. Actually, it's the hoodie underneath this that I'm wearing now. I still have it. So I bought one hoodie, still cold, bought another hoodie, and then I just gave up and bought a jacket by January, I think, or mid-January. So yeah, November it starts to cool down, December it's cold, January is very cold, and February also can be quite cold. It depends on what I think I've acclimated, but it depends on what you're used to. I'm from Minnesota, it's a cold state. It doesn't snow here, but most places don't have heating. I'm on the back of a motorcycle a lot, and it's the desert, you know. It's warm in the day, you're moving around, you're sightseeing if you're visiting, but at night you're just sitting still. It can get pretty windy during the winter as well, and you might get cold. So yeah, tagine is a delicious meal to have to warm you up and just feel warm inside and out. So good. So guys, I haven't even touched this. I'm gonna continue eating it, obviously, and then bring what I can't finish home. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this restaurant. I'll leave the link in the description of this video in case you need the directions here, Google Map link. But I hope you enjoyed. Definitely recommend beef tail. I was unsure. I was like, man, am I gonna hate this? Because I tried mulch, cow brains. That was tolerable, but I have never ordered it again. I wouldn't recommend that. This is good though. The meat's delicious. So yeah, you will have a wonderful day or night, depending on when you're watching this. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed. Check out this restaurant. Watch my other videos. Subscribe for more because I have a lot of videos that I'm currently working on at the moment. It's a busy month. So, all right. I will see you later. Catch you on the next one.